Mark Adams, who's Vice President Design for GM Europe. And Mark, another concept car from Saab, this time the 9X Air. What are you trying to do with this concept car? Why convertible and why now?
Well, twofold really. It completes a whole story of vehicles that we've been displaying at recent shows where we've been trying to describe the future design language of Saab. But here we're also linking back to that heritage, that great convertible heritage where the original Saab was launched in 25 years ago now. And here we have a complete new interpretation of that, done in a very modern and contemporary way.
You say it's completing a series of design exercises. In a way, you've been doing a very, very public product development, haven't you?
Yeah, absolutely. And that is really to make a stamp with the Saab brand going forward, to show how this next wave of production vehicles will be really defining a new future for the brand. And they will really be picking up on many of the cues of these show cars that we've shown in the last 2 years.
How would you describe then that new future for the brand? What are you trying to do with Saab?
Well, really just have a glimpse back at the past. So we pull some of the heritage through, but mostly focus on the future. We want the brand to be very contemporary, very modern and very progressive, to highlight where we want to take the brand in the future. And these vehicles, being very sporty and dynamic, really capture that spirit, holding on to the Scandinavian origins and showing the aircraft heritage link in many of the design cues that we show.
Well, this is bound to be a success when it's shown at the Paris Motor Show, and of course it presages a whole series of real product announcements, if I can call them that, of actual product announcements that we're going to see next year.
Yeah, we're very much embarking on a whole series of new production vehicles, and as I say, many of these design cues that you've seen on these show vehicles will be coming through into those mainstream production vehicles. They're going to be very modern and progressive, but be really Scandinavian, so that they're really true to the roots of the Saab brand.